Hi everybody, my name is Joseph Latoria and I'm from College of DuPage's tutoring services located in the Learning Commons. And today I'm going to talk about a special verb tense that we use in English. And a lot of my students always ask me about this particular tense, and it's called the present perfect. And the present perfect verb tense is formed using the helping verbs have and has plus the past participle. And in this video, this is actually going to be a part 1 video. There's actually 4 different ways that you can use the present perfect verb tense. And for this video, I'm going to be talking about 2 ways that we can use it. So I'm going to divide the board into 2 pieces. And the first way that we can use this verb tense is talking about actions that started in the past and continued up into the present. So I'm going to draw a timeline here so you can see what I'm talking about. And on the left side of the timeline, I'm going to write past. And then on the right side, I'm going to put the present. And again, it's about actions that started in the past and continue up into the present. There's 2 signal words that you want to look out for when you're using this, this example. And it's since and for. So I'm going to write a quick little sentence, and this is a personal example here. I have worked at COD for 9 years. Okay, so I use my helping verb have. I use the past participle of work, which is worked. And I'm describing an action that started in the past. So 9 years ago, I started working here. And then currently, right in this moment, I'm still working at College of DuPage. So this is one way to use the present perfect. And another way is to describe general experiences. And I'm going to draw another timeline to show what I'm talking about here. And on the left side, I'm going to draw a clock. And then on the right side, I'm going to write present. And when we're talking about general experiences using this verb tense, the time doesn't really matter. And there's also some signal words to use when talking about general experiences. And some of the popular ones are never, ever, before, and yet. So I'm going to give you a quick little sentence here using this. And I'm going to say, she has gone to Italy before. Okay, so now in this sentence, I use has because my subject is she. I use the past participle of go, and I'm describing just a general experience that happened in the past. So for this, the time doesn't really matter. What's important is that this person has gone to Italy at some point. And to recap, for the first 2 ways to use the present perfect tense, we have actions that started in the past and continued up into the present. So using since and for, my example was I have worked at COD for 9 years. And then the second way to use it is describing general experiences, where time doesn't really matter. And our key words were never, ever, before, and yet. And the example, she has gone to Italy before. So this is like part one of the present perfect. And in part two, I'll explain how to use the present perfect in two different ways that will be useful for you when writing and speaking. I hope you found this helpful, and thank you for listening.